What's up, y'all? Today I'm at the junkyard, as you can see. And there's all types of stuff up in here. But I'm mainly on the hunt for E36s because right here are the headlight adjustment screws, and mine is missing. So I need some headlight adjustment screws and some bolts and some hardware stuff for the headlights. And I'm also missing some bolts. So I'm gonna grab one of the bolts behind the motor. You feel me? Get everything I need while I'm here. So let's get it. And I think I need like some alternator stuff too. So I'm gonna grab some stuff off the motor too. So enough of me talking, man. Let's get it. All right, so I'm back from the junkyard, and I'm getting parts for the motor. I'm getting parts for the E36 and 3. I'm just getting parts for everything. I'm fixing everything. And this year, I'm going hard. I'm not playing. Y'all gonna know the reason why they call me BM Dub. I ain't just gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna show y'all. But anyway, part of the M3 rebirth is I'm taking these beat up, ugly, old Sparkos out and putting my vaders back in, man. Only reason why I have Sparkos in here is because, you know, if you in the cars, man, we all grew up on Fast and Furious, man. You seen, rest in peace, the big homie Paul Walker, and he had them Sparkos in there. You know what I'm saying? That's all you wanted as a kid. So that childhood goal is complete, man. I done rode them some Sparkos, man. You feel me? I ain't got the most expensive ones, but hey, it say Sparko on it though. You feel me? But now it's time to go back to some to the stock. So these seats is getting taken out. I'm going back to stock. See, and look, I'm sitting on this because my butt hurt. Nah, man, we ain't doing none of that no more. Yeah, man, we going back to stock vaders, leather, comfortable, adjusting. You know what I'm saying? We taking these out. So I gotta go to my storage, pick up the seats, see what else I see in there that I need for this motor. And yeah, so right now we're about to take these seats off. Let's get it. I can't believe, look at this, man. I'm sitting on this, man. All right, come on, man. This is luxury. This is M3. I got suede roof in there. You know what I mean? We got a suede roof in here. I need to get back to that luxury tip. So yeah, seats coming out, man. Then I got something that feels good for. I'm about to put my knees on this so I can take these seats out. One is out. This the E36 ready. You know, I stay with E36, so I'll probably grab another one soon anyway. And I'm for sure it's gonna have some messed up seats, so these will go right in there. And I'm vacuuming, go to the storage, put my new seats in. Should go buy some leather restore. Put on the seats. Vacuum it, give it a full interior detail. All right, y'all, so I got the seats out. Dirty as hell in there. We ain't got no seats. I'm gonna go to my storage, go pick up the seats that I'm putting up in there, and then we're gonna get it cracking. So yeah, seats out. Go pick up the new seats, come back, install them. We in the game, man. Let's get it. What's cracking? So I went to my storage, and yeah, came up with my vaders that I had up in there. So the vaders is going right back in the M, but I can't find my extension cord. So I'm gonna have to dry the M up here, but the M ain't got no damn seats no more. So I'm gonna have to dry the M up here with no seats. Good thing I'm tall, right? Let's get it. I think now we got a battery now. Oh yeah, we got a Alright, so before I put these in, I gotta vacuum all this mess up. So I'm gonna clean all up inside, vacuum everything before I put these seats up in this thing, man. Alright, cool, got everything clean. Maybe later one day I'll do like a carpet clean up in here. Or probably just do black carpet. But in the meantime, vacuum, throw the seats in here, and call it a day. It's clean now. So now it's time to install the seats. Oh, before I install the seats, I gotta install the little seat belt bracket thing. So that's gonna go on, and then yeah. Damn, battery died on me, but I got one seat in though. Yeah. One more left. Let's get it much better. All right. Vaders are in. Looks better too. So there you have it. Vaders are back in. It's looking like an M car again. Now I just need headlights. I should be in the game, so let's move on back to the headlights. I had to go get the adjusting screws and all that stuff. I had to put the headlights on so nobody don't try to gank me. Get everything right. So yeah, man, I already like it already. It look better. Next I'm gonna detail the seats, do all that later, but right now we riding for now. So yeah, that's it for now, y'all. Bam. Headlights up next. So what I went and got at the junkyard was the headlight adjustment screws. You need those to adjust the headlights. I got the other side right there, but put those on. Right. Pop that headlight back in. Hold up. And voila. You just adjust according to whatever it is. So I'm about to do that. Then I'm gonna get back at you. All right, so I got the headlights installed, the leveling screws, all this. All right, y'all, so I got the headlights installed, all the hardware, everything good, everything working, everything. Man, that like I say though, man, I came, I saw, and I conquered. Got the lights working. Look at that, man. Man. Headlights working, car wash. Oh, we in the game. Yeah, so that's it, y'all. We got the seats in, we got the headlights in, we got the corner lights in, we got it cracking, man. So yeah, man, now it's time to go out, man. That's it for today, y'all. Peace.